Hi, my name is Ana Paula Zuluaga and I will talk about the TOEFL. The TOEFL is a really important exam around the world, and the purpose of TOEFL is measure the English level of someone who doesn't speak English as a native language. Identify the person if the person understands standard American English as a college level. So, what kind of people can take this exam? So, every person with a basic English level was the main goal of the exam. So this exam pretend to measure the reading skills, the listening skills, the writing skills, and the speaking skills. So what are the most significant characteristics of this exam? So in one hand is one of the most important exams around the world. So it is assessed by more than 85 every 1,500 institutions and agencies in more than one 140 countries. So it's a biggest quantity of countries and institutions that reside that this exam. That's why it's so important. So any institution or any government can react to cannot afford to ignore the importance of the fluent communication. That's why it's so important. So, in other hand, this exam can be present every 2 years. So it is good because students can prepare before this exam very well. So the minimum TOEFL score required by each school depends on the requirements, but the total score is, for example, 120, and the minimum score which is accepted is 80. So what are the skills that are evaluated in this exam? So as I already say, reading, and in the reading part, you're gonna find 0 to 30 questions. The high level is 22 and 30 questions. Intermediate 50 and 21, and the low 0 and 40. And the listening part, the same, 40 and 30. All the section parts have the same number of questions. So if you have a high level, you're gonna have 22 or 13 answers. Uh, and if you have an intermediate, you're gonna have 50 or 21, and low 0 to 14. In the speaking, if you have good at speaking, you're gonna have 26 and 13 as well. If you have a regular, 18 and 18 and 25. And the limit 10 to 17, and back 0 to 9. In the writing part, if you have a 24 or 30 answers, you have a good level. If you have 17 to 23, you have a regular level, and in the limit is 1 to 16. So all this combination of the skills gonna make if you are successful in the exam, you need to have a same level in this exam. If you are good in this exam, you're gonna have the same kind of question in a good level. Okay, uh, this is important. Have a same level in every single day. So in the reading part, it gonna take 16 and 8 minutes. Uh, you're gonna have to read a paragraph and answer the questions. And the listening part, you're gonna have 60 or 90 minutes. You have to listen something about culture, conversation, class, topics, wherever. Then you're gonna have 10, 20 minutes for your break. Then you're gonna go to the speaking section for 20 minutes, and you're gonna have to speak about your life or family topics, about um, about interest topics. And the bright section is about 50 minutes. A bright answer, as an essay, completely structured with a logical section, with a good structure and with a good vocabulary and with a good uh, way to write in orthography. So all these sections, um, at least a 4 hours for present this exam, and the idea is to be very good in every single point. So the TOEFL is very important, and that's why there are a lot of course preparation before this, because it's a really important exam that can help you to have a very opportunity to study and work. So that's all, and thanks for watching me.